Today I'm going to review Banshu Poseidon. Hmm. Hmm. First of all, let's talk about the appearance. The weight distribution is not bad. But let's talk about the front. Since I've used the genuine product, I can tell this one lacks a lot of curvature here. The anti-slip texture feels okay, but the genuine product doesn't have this kind of curvature. The surface has some small undulations, and this one is made too plain. And about the screws, I didn't dare to tighten them. I'm afraid it might break because it looks cheap. I remember that initially someone discovered that the spindle from Cygnus could be installed on it. Indeed, some genuine products do use a blue spindle. Unexpectedly, the replica directly used blue. At first glance, it actually looks quite nice. Let's do a sound test. How should I put it? Uh, it inherits the low inertia characteristic from the genuine product. Although the details aren't quite right, the weight and everything else are there. Apart from the grip of this handle, its overall feel is quite similar to that of the genuine product. That's it, bye bye.